Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to quickly sort a list alphabetically in Excel while ignoring spaces. This is a simple but useful trick, especially when you're working with text data that includes spaces. Let's jump right in. Here's our sample list in column A. We've got taken, takes, and take a jump, but when we sort this list, we want Excel to ignore the spaces. In column B, we'll use a simple helper formula to remove the spaces from these words. Just type. This formula converts the text to lowercase and removes all spaces. Hit Enter, and drag this formula down for all the rows. Now that the helper column is ready, we select both columns A and B, then head over to the Data tab. Click on Sort, and in the dialog box, make sure to sort by column B, which contains our formula. Once you hit OK, your list in column A is now sorted alphabetically, ignoring the spaces. And that's it. A simple way to make Excel ignore spaces when sorting alphabetically. Give it a try, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips.